will do unboxing of Lagkaptan IKEA store table with adjustable handles. The adjustable handles are from Olaf, and each one is MRP of 770, but we got it in an offer, say 550 per each leg. This can go up to 90 centimeters height. I'll show you in a bit. It has all the equipment, you can fix it to the table. The table here is 140 by 60 centimeters, and as you can see, there are 4 legs, and it's an MDF particle board, and it's completely sealed. Packing is nice. I went to the store and then I got it from Navi Mumbai, and the item looks very good, neatly packed. As you can see, there are holes for the items, for the legs to be placed. So I will show you how to do it. Let's unbox it. By the way, the total price of this table along with legs is 4,290 per table, 4 legs. So we'll be doing the installation. So it's a kind of DIY, and we have the table here. And we also have do's and don'ts in different languages, and the instructions which are given clearly. The table what I took was black legs with white top. I will show you in a minute. I also bought cable management tray for this one. This costed me 999, but the actual price is around 13 or 1400 maybe. Okay, so this is the cable management tray, which will go below the table. I will show the installation as well. Let's see what is available in the legs. I will cut one leg and then show how it goes. Just be careful while cutting the covers, because this has rubber bush here, and it has maximum length of 90 centimeters. So we can loose it this way, or we can tie it and then push it inside whichever height we are looking for. So it is like, so it's quite convenient. So either when you want to put it in the locking position, you can do this, or when you want to unlock and then adjust the height, then once you set it, then this is how it's going to be locked. So now this will not go, and this is how it's going to be. The leg also comes with an instruction manual, which is written in different languages, and then instructions how to screw them. And as you can see, the plate has to be fixed first under the table, and then we screw the leg into that. Okay, and it is clearly written that what is the screw length, and it should not be more than that, because it will touch the other side of the board which may also damage the board if it is more lengthier. As you can see, this is how it's going to be. The heights can be adjusted this way. So 60 to 90 centimeters is clearly written here. And how to so if you're just making it a clockwise direction, it will come out, and then anti-clockwise direction you can tight and fix the height and then tight the legs. Okay, so I'm taking the maximum one, so approximately 85 centimeters is what I'm looking for. So the maximum is around 90 centimeters, so I'm going ahead with the 85 centimeters. For fixing this, I might need the screwdriver, and then quite simple to fix, as you can see. I will show you for one. So you can place the plate so that all the holes in the table are visible. So then you screw them. Just make sure you are not damaging the holes. The holes are completely new. So this is how it's going to be, and then you screw them. Process is now. See, this should not be moving. I fixed all the screws. Make sure you screw them, you tighten the screws so that the plate doesn't move. Okay, so same thing repeats for all the other 3 plates. I'll fix them. Yes, make sure these are properly done. Then we change. This is the table, the final outcome. Hope you liked it.